Hey guys, my name is Costa and today I'm gonna show you how to create this kind of input field in Framer. So I noticed lately that many AI companies have this instead of a simple button. They just have an input field, and when you type something inside and click on the button, then they will redirect you to a sign up page or login page. So I think this actually will convert so much better than just a simple button. So therefore today I'm gonna show you how to create it in Framer. Step number 1, go to Insert, look up for Form, drag it inside your breakpoint, select the first field, and then press Ctrl X, then select the form and delete it. Now press Ctrl V to paste inside the field, go to Size, then Max Width, then switch to Fixed, and 600 pixels is gonna be okay, I think. And next let's make it taller, but as you can see the text right now is centered vertically. We would like it to be aligned to the top, so what we could do is switch from text to text area, and now we have this icon right here. So when we increase the radius we can see a small part of the icon. So what we could do actually is go to resizable and click on no. Now looks fine. Let's have a 40 pixels radius and then go to padding, and for the top I will add 32 pixels and for the left 32 pixels as well. Next I will create a new frame and then select the input field and the frame and press Ctrl Alt Enter to create a stack. Make sure the width is with content, select the frame and switch its position to absolute, align it to the bottom right, and I will type in 16 pixels for the right and 16 pixels for the bottom. Now let's increase the radius and make it a circle. I will change its color to a lighter gray. Now I will press Ctrl K, look up for Iconify, and then I will type in arrow. So this arrow right here is gonna be fine. I will select the frame, select this arrow and click insert icon. Now select the frame, click on layout, and let's make this icon white maybe. Okay, looks fine. Now select the input field and let's change the message right here. Right now it says Jane Smith, so I will type in what do you want to know. So now it looks more like an AI input field. I will select a button, right click, create a component and call it button. And now I will create a hover state and go to shadows, click on realistic. Let's decrease the focus and increase the diffusion, and maybe make this 24 pixels. I think that is too much. So let's decrease the opacity to 16 pixels maybe, and select the first variant. And then right here I will type in google.com. But obviously if you have a sign up page, you have to put in the sign up page that you want to redirect your users to. So now click on home and let's preview this. We have a nice hover effect, and let's say how to learn Framer, and then when I click on this button it's gonna redirect me to Google or your sign up page. So that is it for this video guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.